We are truly delighted to participate in the Dubai BIG5 for the first consecutive year. Every year, we feel the strong energy and dynamic growth of the Middle East market. And it is always an honor to introduce K-Tank to visitors from all over the world. This year as well, we are excited to showcase our latest technology and products and meet partners who trust and support our brand. Our growth in the Middle East has been possible thanks to the tremendous support and trust from our partners and customers. We sincerely appreciate the strong cooperation we receive every year. K-Tank will continue delivering safe, reliable, and high-quality water tank solution that meets the needs of projects across the region. The recent state visit by the President of the Republic of Korea reaffirmed the strategic partnership between Korea and the UAE. Based on Korea's advanced technology in the construction, water management, and smart infrastructure, we expect even more opportunities for collaboration in upcoming projects. We believe that K-Tank can play an important role in contributing to sustainable and innovative water storage solutions across the Middle East.